Welcome to another Simple Dad TikTok tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to create the American comic video trend on TikTok like this. If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any of the social media apps, then hit that subscribe button to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful. So as you can see, it turns yourself into a comic character like this. So let me show you how you can create this video trend on TikTok. So first you want to go ahead and open up TikTok. Next you want to tap on the search and you're searching for American comic. In the search results under effects, you're looking for this American comic. Tap on it and this is how it looks like. Now to use this effect, go ahead and tap on use this effect at the bottom. This will now take you to the recording screen. Now you can go ahead and record your screen. You can zoom in. Using this slider here, you can increase or decrease the effect of the American comic effect. Now once you're ready, go ahead and tap on record and record your video using the effect. And there you go, that is how to create the American comic effect video trend on TikTok. If this video is helpful, then please subscribe to see more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.